This farm has been in my family for generations.
We're planning to spend around $100,000 to renovate and restore this historic farmhouse.
No one's lived in the farmhouse in years, so Thomas and Hillary decided to turn it into a tea farm.
We'd love to host people out here to do a farm tour and a tasting, from the pluck to a finished cup of tea.
Based on all the history, we should call this the Leggett House.
I think that's appropriate.
That's pretty fitting. The house, as you know, is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2,000 square feet. So, I mean, it's a great little cottage, and I'm excited about what we're gonna do with it.
Me too.
This house, it's such a big part of our family.
Yeah.
So I want a classic style that honors its 100 years of history. I want everyone to feel at home when they're here.
Well, I think there's so much good about it. I have really small changes. We want to keep the spirit of what the house is.
Oh, I love it, Erin.
Beautiful. I love the green tones.
Yeah, this color palette makes me think of tea leaves and then dried tea.
Yeah.
Tea leaves on the front door, dried tea on the windows, and then painting that ironwork.
That's
I
awesome.
love the darker accents.
And then we keep the body color as is because it's nice.
Painting the trim, painting the ironwork, and doing a lot of landscaping. It'd be about $10,000 out here.
Okay.
Come on into your house.
This is a little weird for us, because
Yeah,
we
we're not
usually
used to
are,
this.
we're used to showing people properties they've not been in.
Yeah. I think this room is just beautiful. I know it's a wish for you to have higher ceilings.
Yes, a little more headspace would be wonderful.
You know, structurally, if it'll allow for it, we won't know until we get up in there.
This becomes a public event space. It's not a house for your family anymore. It becomes a house for everybody.
For everybody.
I
Our
love
gathering
it.
spot.
This was a dining room.
Yes, it was.
But if you're gonna have events here, we need way more space. We think taking that primary bedroom and opening up this doorway, making it a big cased opening.
Yeah.
Love it.
So you can have 2 spaces
Yep.
for tables, for events, and this bathroom would become an ADA compliant restroom.
ADA compliant, American with Disabilities Act, making sure that wheelchairs can access the bathroom, the building. So, breaking it up, you'd have 15,000 in the front, 25 in the middle, and then 35 here.
Okay.
Okay.
So all of that together is 75,000 on the interior.
Which feels like a lot to chew on.
We want this to be done right, and we trust you, so let's, yeah.
So we open up the French doors through the dining room like we talked about beside those windows, and we give you an accessible ramp so your guests can get out here easily. And we want to pour a concrete pad here in the center of the courtyard so it's easy maintenance, and give you a long gathering table outside for people to eat together. And then we finish it with strands of party lights over the entire event space so it feels magical all the time.
Love it.
I love it. It's perfect.
So everything that we've talked about so far would be a $100,000 project.
So,
What you say, boss? Game time?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
yeah.
Yeah, let's
you
get
like
started.
Make it
Hey,
happen.
we love
I
it.
love the plan.
It's
I
just-
think this space could just be magical.
Woo, so
All
much
right.
fun. You know, you just never know what you're gonna find when you pull down a suspended ceiling.
But this,
This is beautiful. I'm relieved that we didn't find some horrible flaw.
it feels very Mississippi Tea Farm.
Yes.
Well, hello.
This
Dude.
is looking good. Do y'all like the color I picked?
Love the color.
It is dark, dark, dark green. I wanted it to feel like dried tea.
Uh-huh.
That was my intent.
I think you nailed it.
All the colors in the whole house are inspired by this like tea palette. I wanted to do something special design-wise with paint colors that felt appropriate for a tea farm that needs to be elegant. Also, I want to pay tribute to what the product is that they're growing here. I thought that'd be pretty for cabinets.
The ramp's going in today, which I am excited about.
It does feel nestled into the landscaping, and it feels really like still secret gardening, you know? It's ADA compliance, so anybody can use the backyard now, and
Anybody can use the tea room.
this is the moment where we take this house from being private property to a public event space.
Then I show up with French doors. Whew! Door slides in perfectly.
Oh, I love this!
Got it?
Yep.
Sweet.
You got the party light king on it.
That's right.
You did about 6 miles of party lights in our backyard.
A lot of lights.
PLK. That's what they call me.
Party light king. He really has done these lights a million times. This was a major transformation. Throughout the house, you'll see modern Southern influence with the colors that I associate with tea and this very cozy cottage feeling. Beautiful. This is now a public event space. I want the people who come here and experience the tea farm to feel also at home. This is gonna be, I think, a big moment for Hillary and Thomas.
Oh man, that's incredible, y'all.
Oh, it looks
Wow, that's
wonderful.
beautiful. Holy moly, guys. That's gracious, yes.
Oh my gosh,
You have a
looks
business.
great.
That is incredible.
This is where the tea farm starts.
We're official.
You're
Lord.
so official.
Thank y'all. Wow.
Well, gosh, if we're starting off this strong, I can't wait for the rest.
Come on.
Let's go see it. We're gonna take the chariot, riding up to the farm.
What do you think?
Colors
Y'all,
are
that's
fantastic.
awesome.
Oh, I love the porch and the door. I love the colors. Oh, it's
Y'all.
beautiful.
Do you like the
Love
black
it.
ironware?
I love it.
Let's let y'all lead the way.
I can't wait. Oh, that's perfect.
The porch, we got our rocking chairs. Look
Very
at it.
Mississippi
Oh,
farm.
it looks so good. Let's
Here we
go.
go.
Come on in.
Wow. Holy
Oh, it
goodness
looks
gracious,
fantastic.
y'all.
This is not a living room anymore. This is your merch room.
Oh, I love it.
Look at the
I
ceiling.
love the ceiling.
Oh, my
the color
goodness.
is beautiful.
Y'all, that's incredible.
Isn't that a great surprise? This is what we uncovered.
That was up there?
Yes,
That was up there.
that's
Oh,
original.
that's the house's history. That's the character.
Y'all, this is incredible.
Stunning.
Wow.
We made tea art for you with
You
Longleaf
did?
Tea.
How did you do that?
I did that drawing on the top, and Mallory did the one on the bottom.
Erin, what a cool
It's like
idea.
a watercolor. Beautiful.
Yeah, we flicked tea all over the paper, and then Lucy did one for you that's in the dining room.
I love it.
This has always been a bedroom.
Oh my goodness. This room has been transformed, y'all.
This is like a completely different space.
Completely different.
And the color is beautiful. It's cool and calm.
And you have a bathroom instead of a huge closet
Oh my
now.
God. Wow.
Oh, it's fantastic.
Junkie closet to bathroom. Well done, y'all.
So this is the residential component that remains.
Exactly.
Yeah. Y'all want to use this one day for a groundskeeper?
They'll
They
be
can.
all set.
Would anyone care to see the tea room?
I would very much
Very
like to
much
see the
so.
tea room.
Yes.
Yes. Oh man, the ceiling carried through.
Oh my gosh.
And it's higher. Look how much light's in here now, Hill.
I love it.
It was so kind of dark.
This will be seating when you have guests and events.
Amazing.
Okay, you gotta see the tasting rooms.
Oh my
Yes.
goodness.
Oh my goodness.
It's like a completely different place. Wow.
Oh. Thomas,
Oh.
look at the table, Thomas.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Big table.
Yeah,
That
12
is
feet.
perfect.
Look underneath here. It's a trestle table. We turned the legs. Everything was cypress.
Wow.
So
Beautiful.
that is beautiful.
then these trays,
Tasting
Oh,
trays.
it's the tea trays.
gung fu
Yes.
style, we dovetailed these together.
dovetails.
The pine and the cypress came from the barn.
Oh my goodness.
No way.
Yeah.
Wow.
These are the best ones I've ever seen. These are so good looking. Oh, that is beautiful. It's perfect. I love it. The Mississippi version. It's such a cool take on that. Oh man.
I'm real proud of this.
You
It's
should be proud of
beautiful.
this.
This is perfect. It's still homey.
That's what we intended. That's good.
All
you
the
feel it.
character.
And so now you have an ADA approved accessible restroom. It's a really nice bathroom.
I love that. We can welcome all people now.
Yeah.
So the kitchen is also a little different. It's more of a catering kitchen.
Here we go. Oh my goodness.
Oh dang.
Wow.
Is it good?
Man.
This is completely different.
completely different.
and amazing.
We're in a different house.
I love the dark cabinet.
This is dried tea state.
I love it.
The colors of the whole house inspired by tea in all of its forms. It's
Perfect. It's a dark tea. It's beautiful. Love the color. I love the
the
little
colors.
shelves.
Spice cabinet. We needed to have durable countertops, durable floors.
I love that great sink.
I wanted to do something just sort of minimalist with the tile for the backsplash.
Beautiful.
So every form of tea is represented on the interior, but maybe the sweetest tea
Is enjoyed outside.
is enjoyed outside.
Is that what you were gonna say?
That is what I was gonna say. Shall we?
Yes!
How about this?
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Wow.
Can't you just see a party happening?
It's like a whole new place. Oh my goodness.
beautiful.
Oh, I love it, man.
I mean, it wasn't even really a space at all. And now there is a space.
I love the lights.
Look at this place.
Look at that table.
I
See
know.
the table?
Looks
The landscaping
so good.
looks beautiful.
We kept everything we possibly could. And you may notice plants. Those are from your grandmother's sweet olive.
Oh,
We did little clippings. You can plant
I can
them again.
transplant them.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
That's special. Yeah.
These are her babies.
Oh, wow.
Perfect.
This is great. Y'all gave us $100,000 for the project.
This space is perfect.
It's beyond
y'all.
great. It's wonderful.
This has been in your family for so many generations.
But y'all somehow found a way to honor that past, but set us up for a really exciting future. Thank y'all.
Yeah.